10 Accidental Discoveries That Changed the World. Many of the greatest discoveries in science and technology were not planned, they happened by chance, by mistake, or by curiosity. Here are 10 accidental discoveries that shaped human history forever. 1. Penicillin, 1928, in London, Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming returned from a holiday to find one of his petri dishes contaminated with mold. Instead of throwing it away, he observed something unusual. The bacteria around the mold were dead. This mold was Penicillium notatum, and it became the world's first antibiotic. It opened the door to modern medicine and saved millions of lives in the 20th century. 2. Microwave oven, 1945. American engineer Percy Spencer was working on magnetron technology for radar systems during World War II. While standing near an active radar, he noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. He tested popcorn kernels and they popped instantly. This accidental experiment led to the first microwave cooking device, transforming kitchens around the world. 3. X-rays, 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode ray tubes in a dark lab in Würzburg. He saw a glowing light coming from a nearby fluorescent screen. He placed his hand in front of the tube and observed the bones of his fingers on the screen. This became the discovery of X-rays, a breakthrough that revolutionized medical imaging and earned him the first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. 4. Post-it notes, 1968, at the 3M Company, chemist Spencer Silver was trying to develop a strong adhesive for aircraft use. Instead, he created a weak, pressure-sensitive glue. Years later, a colleague named Art Fry used the weak adhesive to mark pages in his hymn book. This became the birth of the modern post-it note, now a global office essential. 5. Safety glass, 1903, French chemist Edouard Benedictus accidentally dropped a glass flask coated with a thin layer of cellulose nitrate. To his surprise, the flask cracked but did not scatter into sharp pieces. This discovery became the foundation of laminated safety glass used in car windshields and building structures. 6. The pacemaker, 1956, engineer Wilson Greatbatch at the University at Buffalo inserted the wrong resistor while building a device to record heart signals. The circuit produced a stable rhythmic pulse that resembled the human heartbeat. This mistake led to the development of the first implantable cardiac pacemaker, a device that has saved countless lives. 7. Vulcanized rubber, 1839, self-taught inventor Charles Goodyear accidentally spilled a mixture of rubber and sulfur onto a hot stove in his workshop in Massachusetts. Instead of melting, the rubber became strong, flexible, and heat-resistant. This process, known as vulcanization, became the backbone of modern tires and rubber industries. 8. Teflon, 1938, chemist Roy Plunkett of DuPont was researching new refrigerant gases. When he opened a gas cylinder, he found a white, waxy solid coating the inside. This material was polytetrafluoroethylene, later named Teflon. It became famous for its non-stick cookware and high-temperature resistance used in engineering and aerospace. 9. Coca-Cola, 1886, Atlanta pharmacist John Pemberton created a syrup meant to treat headaches and fatigue. A clerk accidentally mixed the syrup with carbonated water, creating a refreshing drink. This unexpected combination became Coca-Cola, one of the most iconic beverages on Earth. 10. Artificial sweeteners, 1879, chemist Konstantin Fahlberg was working with coal tar derivatives in a lab at Johns Hopkins University. After forgetting to wash his hands, he noticed a sweet taste on his food. This accident led to the discovery of saccharin, the world's first artificial sweetener, widely used in low-calorie foods.